So welcome to our new channel. This is called Kobolt Studios and my name is Iver and
Lovise.
We're gonna do a lot of vlog content, a lot of fashion related content, and we'll try and bring you along to a lot of our creative endeavors and yeah, just daily life.
In this vlog, you're gonna see us decorating the apartment. We're going to a store called Antikvarehuset.
It's a vintage/antique furniture store that also has a lot of clothing and jewelry as well. You're gonna see us buy some shelves there. We're also going to a Sunday market, aren't we?
Yeah, and you're also gonna see us make some of our favorite food.
Yeah. So yeah, subscribe if you enjoy our content and follow along. So Antikvarehuset is a antique/vintage furniture store that also sells a lot of clothing and jewelry. And if you do visit the store, be sure to take your time. So we've gotten the boxes now, and now we're gonna try and move stuff around, see how it looks. I think it's gonna be really cool. So each box looks like this. They were, like I said, meant for wine back in the day. We're gonna stack them like this, I believe, and have stuff inside.
So today we are going to take you guys along to the weekly market located at Birkelunden. I'm looking for a new ring to add to my collection.
And we're also looking to buy things we can put in our new shelves. Apparently we bought a plant, and by we I mean she. Hopefully it survived the weather because it's quite cold outside. So yeah. That's it. I have no clue what it's called. It's called it was called something mania. Goose mania.
And it's quite nice with a pop of color as well, because we do have a lot of green plants in the apartment. But we don't have a lot of plants that it's colored like that.
We have to straighten it up a bit though, because it's like quite skewed.
Yeah, it's quite wonky right now. And I can start with the smallest first purchase. I got a leather wallet. Brown. It seems like it's really good quality as well. And my old wallet is, I don't know if I want to show it, but
you shouldn't, yeah.
It's crusty and nasty. And then I also got a leather jacket from, what is it called? Lenny? I don't know.
They were Italian,
yeah.
I think, the ones who had the shop.
And they did have a lot of leather jacket, as you can see in the clips.
Yeah. I tried on a few different pairs.
Yeah.
Nothing was like quite right. Apparently they have this super long Hugo Boss coat in black that I might be trying soon. Yeah, we'll see. But she bought a jacket.
Yeah. And I really like the, what do you call it? The buttons or the...
It's like a marching band jacket.
Yeah, it kind of is.
Yeah.
And it's quite cropped as well. And I do have a lot of high-waisted pants like this. So I think it's going to be cool to style it in the spring. But it does have the same kind of embroidery on the sleeves as well as in the front, and also on the collar. I didn't get a ring though. I couldn't find anything that I
You didn't find a ring you liked though?
Yeah, but
from Moonstone?
It's Moonstone in English. But I'm not sure if it's the right one, because I do have a lot of square, no, not square, rectangular rings. Yeah. Do you call that? And I really want maybe an oval or a round one.
So that's her haul.
Yeah, my haul.
Yeah. My name is...
Stop. And we're also gonna take you